Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're kind of just doing a watch me work. I have this beautiful glitter that I mixed up a little bit ago, so I was like, you know what, I want to do something fun. I want to do something glittery. I feel like a lot of my nail looks lately have been kind of just seasonal and like, I wouldn't say boring, but you know, very neutral and not so much sparkle. So this time I was like, you know what? Let's just do something sparkly. We made it to 2021. This is my first video of the new year. And honestly, you guys, I'm not even gonna front. I have been meaning to post more videos. I've had it's been a really rocky week in my personal life, so I was just happy to sit down and film this video, you know, actually take my time, listen to some music, and yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the lazy girl method, and if you guys have not seen that method, look on Femi Beauty's channel. She does a really good job. Slay by Jay also does a really good job at explaining it, but pretty much you're just taking full cover tips. They don't have to be gel tips, they can be the plastic ones, and you're gonna go ahead and put on a layer of base coat. In my case, I decided to use the glitter I made. I also decided to use these flakes. These ones are from Nail Couture. This is like a glitter they make, which is really, really pretty, and it's really affordable. I think it's called Boom Boom, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so pretty much you just do a layer of that, you cure it in the lamp for like 30 seconds. It's up to you if you decide to seal it in with base coat. You don't have to. I do it from some nails and not for others. So then you want to go ahead and put your polygel on top of that. You're just going to do a thin layer. You're not going to do a huge glob because it's going to be pointless. And then you push it on your nail, it will stick, and you just cure it, and there you go. It's super, super quick. That's why this video is literally so short, because it's a really easy process. It's one that I wish that I did more often, but yeah, I love it so, so much. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. The polygel that I'm using, this green one, this is from the Makartt House of Florists collection. And as soon as I saw this green, I was like, you know what? Like, I want to do something, you know, really pretty and just glittery. And you guys know that green and jade are good luck colors, so I just want to start the new year off with some good luck, some good vibes. I feel like this year is going to be really good for us, you know, I'm speaking it into existence. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this. I will check on you guys a little bit through the video, but I do want you guys to just be able to chill and watch. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay guys, and I don't know if y'all caught on, but I'm only filling these nails up like most of the way because I know I'm not gonna wear them full length because I'm planning on wearing the set to work. And you guys know I told you before, at my job I'm allowed to have like nails and there's no limitations, but I do like keeping them cut short because I look a fool trying to type on the computer. So I got these Swarovski crystals from Michaels. I got a whole bunch. I'm thinking about doing a nail haul, but I'm also going to take these green and blue opal crystals. I also use some white opal crystals, and then I have some gunmetal and some silver caviar beads. And what I did was I just took my rhinestone glue. I would have showed the clip, but I was severely out of focus like always. And I went ahead and put on some just gel top coat, and then I'm going to go ahead, without curing, just go ahead and put my crystals on there. And you guys, I really didn't have any idea of what I wanted to do. I wish I was one of those people who like planned out like their stone placement, but I don't. If you guys watch Jenny, I don't know how to say her last name, but I don't know, but she usually does plan out her crystals like on a piece of paper and then she puts them on her nails, which is honestly so smart. I wish I would take after her and do that, because when I swear I sit down and I have no idea what I'm doing. I just am like, okay, like this would look good, and let's add some caviar beads, and let's add this, and like, it's honestly ridiculous. But yeah, I thought these colors looked super good with this glitter. I absolutely love how they looked. If you guys want to see more videos of me making glitter, I know I didn't show it in this video, but if you guys do want to see me make some glitter mixes, I honestly find it very relaxing to do it and to watch it. So if you guys ask me to do it, I promise you it would just be doing me a favor because I like doing it. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys want to see that. And once again on this nail, I'm doing the same exact thing. I did switch it up a little teeny tiny bit from the pointer finger just because I didn't want them to be like super identical. But yeah guys, I've been buying so much more nail stuff. I finally just bought a nail cart to organize it. So if you guys do want to see me do a filming setup, let me know, because I am about to get a new table. I'm just kind of looking to see, you know, what kind of table I want in case I decide to start, you know, maybe doing nails on other people. I'm still like not sure about that, but I do want a table to where I can film and possibly do nails on someone else. So yes, let me know if you guys want to see any of that process. We are currently trying to get me a better setup because y'all, my garage setup is cute, but I don't know, I'm not sold on it yet. Like, I like being alone to film without any interruptions, but it's also one, cold as hell out there, even though we have a heater. So we have a heater, but it's still cold. But yeah, I don't know, it just needs a little bit more something. But once we're done putting the crystals on, you guys, I cut out the clip of me putting on these little pixie crystals because I hated them. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you love it as much as I did. It's just something different. This was by no means a tutorial. This is just how I did my nails for the new year, and I'm wishing you guys that you have a great and happy New Year's. I hope you stick around. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, but I love you. I'll see you guys in my next video.